Pacita Complex, BPI. Ano, yung card nyo dyan, yung mga card nyo international, pwede dyan. Sa BPI, pakita mo. BPI. Max, Pancake. Dito, pag namili kayo ng mga kailangan nyo, nandyan yung palengke. Okay?
Iniikot ka lang, Riz. Iniikot lang,
Dito
pero...
na, papakita mo nga yung surroundings eh. Ganyan ang detalye. Itong release na to, ito tricycle. Terminal ng tricycle. Itong release na to, wala nang nakatira dyan. Alam ni Edison yan.
Ayan tayo. Balik tayo.
Lahat ng
Tapat
mga
ulit
nakatira
ng
dito
first
sa
street.
release, wala na, nasa bundok na, doon sa langgam. Ito, malinis na to, wala nang release dito. Oh, dumaan lang tayo dito, umikot lang ako ha. Pinakita ko lang kasi yung tatayuan ng SM. Ito yung plaza, pwede ka mag-jogging every morning. Pakita mo. Ito yung Pacita Plaza, pwede kang mag-jogging. Ayan, marami nag-exercise. Marami nag-walking. Ayan, no? Jogging area, parking. Likod ng Robinson. And that is the Philpost Postal Office. Alam mo yan, kakanan tayo. This is 1B. Makikita mo ang kalsada is smooth na, hindi na lubak-lubak. Ayan. Ito na. Ito na ha. Oh, malapit lang to sa Robinson. Pagdating dito sa kantong ito, kakanan ako. Subdivision na to na napakaganda, hindi binabaha. Walang nakawan, walang... Ayan, ito na.
Ayan na, Riz. Yung...
Ayan, nakita mo tong area na to. Napakaganda tong area na to.
Ayan ang katabi.
Santa
Sa
Monica,
corner
Santa
lang.
Veronica.
House
O, tinan yung mga magiging kapitbahay nyo. Yan, yung mga magagandang bahay. O, yan, nakita mo. Yan, o. Tapos dito, corner lang. Ito yung, ito yung Santa Monica. Malapit to sa dalawang school. San Colegio, San Pedro, at saka Casa del Niño. Ito yung mga bahay, pakita mo. Yung mga kapitbahay.
Walang masyadong nadaan dito, Riz.
Hindi to daanan, hindi to kasi to, exclusive to eh. O, ayan, yan yung ito yung kila Tricia. Turo mo yung kila Tricia. Halos likod lang sa inyo yan, kila Tricia yun, yung kulay brown na gate. Kila Tricia yan ha. Itong corner na to, yan na yung property, yung likod.
Ito na, Riz. Yan yung brown na yan.
O, ayan.
Ayan. So, from there, ayan, may nakapark na kotse.
Yan na.
Mula dito hanggang dito sa Medulo.
Itong gate na to na pinagpaparanan ng kotse, ito yung part ng second story building na doon sila nakatira bahay. Maganda ang Ngayon, yung pagdating dito sa pader na to, ipakita mo, yung pader na yan. Aruhan mo yan mamaya. Yan yung pader na yan. Huwag mong yan yung pader na yan. Hanggang doon sa dulo, pwedeng swimming pool yan. Ayan, may bubong. Pwedeng gawing swimming pool yan. Yan ang dyan. Dito na tayo paparaan.
Yes, ito yung paligid. Ito yung maging kapitbahay niya tapat. Yan. Ayun, yung daan pa kung galing kami doon. From the house. Ito yung katabi ng corner lot. Ito yung bahay. Taas masyado, hindi ko makuha maigi. Paligid. Yung garahe nila. Itong part na to, ito ang magandang lugar ng school. Yun yung structure na yun. Yung pwedeng tanggalin na para mag-give tayo sa school. Meron pa siya mag-video dito sa labas eh. Ito yung paligid eh. Ayan. Ito yung sa side na pwede namang saraduhan, taasan ng kung ayaw nyo dito magkaroon ng entrance. Ayan ang itong paligid niya. Hanggang likuran. Kalsada. Ayan. Ayun, oh. May gate doon, oh. Yung gate na yon, nakasarado na yun ng 8 o'clock ng gabi. Kasi yun yung way na papunta doon sa may Riles na sinasabi, pero wala nang ano doon, matira. Ayan. Tapos ito yung paligid ng house. Mamaya magte-take ako ng picture gaano kalawak siya. Mainit lang kasi. Teka. Init kasi. Ayan yung house. Teka lang, isa. Tulong ko lang.
If they want to build a pool, they can i-demolish na lang nila tong part na to. Kasi the size of this is about 160, 170. So they can convert it into a pool in a garden. Kasi the other house, it's complete with everything, laundry, 3 bedrooms, all with toilet and bath. Tapos, it has a living room, it has a kitchen, maid's quarters are also there, storage room is also there.
Alright.
So they can demolish this. Kasi like for us, dalawa lang din kami. We don't use this anymore.
Kami na kasing dalawa.
We only use this if there are occasions.
Oh, good, good. But how about the safety of the place? Since it's quite
Safe naman. Kasi
quite
if
close to
there,
them.
here.
Okay
Wala
na.
ko, parang taga-Pacita ako.
Wala.
Doon kasi meron ng gate. So every 8 p.m., the gate there is already closed.
Ah, okay, okay.
Tapos meron din siyang guard. And it's near everything. The grocery, hospitals, drugstore, church,
And close to
ayun, malapit.
Oo,
Malapit
kaya
na malapit.
malapit.
Oo.
So this is 294 square meter
Yes.
lot and it has two.
Including this, ito kasi, this was originally a bedroom but it was converted into an office.
Ginawa ko.
Ito naman, it was converted
May
into a
CR
storage.
siya. You want me to take a photo of the CR? Hindi na.
Opo, okay lang po. Actually, sa kanya kasi totally gusto niya i-renovate niya eh. Pag ganun siya. So, titingnan niya muna yung place
This is
talaga.
another bedroom converted into a storage.
Ayan, so 294 square meter lot siya. Malawak. Tama ako sa'yo.
Tapos ito na yung sinasabi ko, it has a living room, living area.
Init ka na naman. Oo.
Here's the kitchen. Ito yung kitchen. So it has a built-in stove, built-in oven. Yan siya.
Okay, ito yung gusto niya makita eh. Yung kitchen area.
Everything is fully functional kasi ako I cook here eh.
Okay.
Oo. Tapos this is the laundry area. So laundry area is upstairs. The washing machine is upstairs. Yung sampayan din nasa taas. Tapos this way leads to the maid's quarter and another storage room. Sa second floor where you can see the bedroom. Mimi, sa taas. Makita ko yung mga kwarto sa taas. Ay, sir,
Okay lang, wag. Ano tayo, wag.
okay,
Be, tingnan mo yung yung garage nila for yung sa parking.
yeah, dalawang
Tapos,
kotse ang
mayroong stairs. Diretso sa kwarto, saka sa terrace.
Fire exit kasi.
Paano mo binibenta to eh?
8.850 at sabi ni Happy.
Opo.
Dito sa gold kayo?
Kayo na lang ni Happy at
Oo, sila na lang mag-isa.
yung broker.
Taga dito mo ba si Hattie?
Ay, may relatives
Kasi
dito.
ang dami property dito.
So,
Yung second floor.
ito, guest room to. Kinonvert na lang namin sa showroom.
Mahal. Ang dami shoes.
It has its own toilet and bath there.
Lahat ng kwarto dito.
Oh.
Yeah, it has a toilet and bath.
Ayan. So, bali, ilang rooms ito?
3 sa taas.
3 rooms sa taas.
2
and
sa baba. There's another one convertible. So parang mga 6 lahat.
lahat daw ng rooms ay merong CR.
Sa taas.
Malaki
Sa taas.
ang room namin
Ito,
dito.
this is
Yan, bedroom.
This is my bedroom.
master bedroom po.
No.
Dito, dito.
Ah,
Teka, ito rin, you can take a video of the toilet. Ito yung CR niya.
Merong CR, merong ano,
Walk-in
cabinet,
closet. Mini walk-in.
floor
Yes.
nila.
Yan siya. Nice and
Malaki siya,
master.
but this is not the master bedroom, pero ang laki. Ang laki ng space.
At saka magandang lugar to.
This is the master's bedroom.
Pwede naman to doon. Kasi ito kompleto to eh.
Yan, malaki siya.
Malaki siya. Pinakamalaki din yung CR niya.
May terrace.
Ay, mami, ano ba yan? You can take a video of the toilet.
Ito yung toilet ng master bedroom.
Inunong ko ng halambis.
Ayan, terrace ng second floor. Malapit sa master bedroom.
Malapit sa rin.
Wow, ang daming
Hindi binabaha to.
Hindi.
Yung laundry area that I'm telling you, ayun siya. Oh.
Sa taas.
There it is. Yun.
Ay, okay.
Malaki nga sa inyo talaga.
Malaki. Dito ko ito malaki.
Oo nga, no? So, sobrang laki.
Impractical na to maintain this big.
Ano bang ano niyo dati? Trabaho niyo dati?
Ako, sa Mitsubishi ako.
Good morning. This is the veranda. This is the terrace. It actually has a stairs going down, connecting it to the garage. So, the terrace leads to the bedrooms upstairs. This is the master's bedroom. Sorry for the mess. We just woke up. So you have your wardrobe there. This is the toilet and bath. There. There. And then this is my bedroom. There you go. It also has a wardrobe. And this is the toilet and bath. There. Yan. And then, this is the guest room. It was turned into a shoe room. There. It has a mini wardrobe. It also has its toilet and bath. And nobody's using this room right now. So, going down the stairs. Here. So this is the living room. There you go. And this is the kitchen. There. Yeah. And then this is the laundry area. There's a laundry upstairs. And then, ito na yung division. So this is the old house. So it's up to you if from here, like after the living room, here. Yeah. So there's a storage room here. There's a storage room. This was a former bedroom. And there's a prayer area. This is another bedroom before, converted into an office. Yeah. Then, this is the toilet and bath here downstairs. And siya. This is the dining area. Yeah, and here's the dining area. And here's the dirty kitchen. Yan. So ate, it's up to you if and there's another mini living area in front of the dining area. So it's up to you if you want to convert this portion, like from this portion, because there's a grotto here. That's the way leading to the garage. So it's up to you from here, from this area. It's the size there. Up to here. There. So you will demolish this wall. Yan siya. Up to this area. Yan. Should you want to convert this into a pool and a garden, it's really huge. Like this whole thing here. This whole thing could be your pool. And then from here, from there, this could be your door leading to your garden. Yan siya. Malaki tong area na to. And there's your dining. So if you won't remove the dining area from here, your dining area could be overlooking the pool area. You just have to replace this wall with a glass, tawag doon? Glass sliding door. Because this wall is directly leading you to the pool area.